Hi, you have a lazy spa jacuzzi and you need to add air? So this video is exactly what you need. This channel shows everything about vacation, business trips and relaxing. But right now, I'm going to show you how to add air into your jacuzzi. Let's start. Adding air into the jacuzzi after everything is connected. So you're going to need these two little cups, which you received with the jacuzzi when you bought it. So the first thing what you may do is you take off your not water resistant watch. So, and then you cover the first upper water outlet. Through that hole the water goes back into the jacuzzi from the pump. So, and then you have the second cup which needs to go over that place where the filter is. So what you need to do is you need to unscrew the filter first. So put the filter beside. Once you did that, you cover the water outlet back to the jacuzzi. You put it, you cover it with that hole. Okay, once this is done, we can go back to the pump and disconnect all tubes. Okay, so what we do is we're gonna. This should be like hand tight. Connected, and there might be coming some water out of it. That's no problem, just not too much. That's why you use this caps. Okay, so in this is the other one. There will come some water out. But that's all fine. So once all these three are, sorry for the wobbling, just difficult with one hand. Okay. Then we need to push the whole pump by side. Okay. And you connect again electricity. So once that is done, you can turn on it. You can turn on the pump. So as next, what we need is to disconnect this here. Actually not disconnect, just open it. But watch out, you do not open this one here, because this will let the air out. So you just open this one here. Now you take this hose, which you also received, include the jacuzzi. You mount this here. Nothing stronger, only hand tight the hose to this one here, and then you place the black one inside of this hole. Once you did that, you push the button of the bubbles. that's it. Once you reach the air, once this is done, still need to disconnect this tube here. It's all a bit complicated with one hand, but you probably do not need to hold the camera while you do that. Okay, so we put this back. Alright, and now we turn this back into its place. So I'm gonna connect the holes back. All hand tight. Okay. And the big one. Okay, instead of that, I forgot. This should be close to. This helped you. If you are interested to see more videos like that related to vacation, related to relax, consider subscribing and hopefully see you soon. If you have a comment to leave, please write down there anything related about that jacuzzi, problems you were facing, or things maybe you would like me to review. Thank you and take care. Bye-bye.